Hello folks, welcome to the very first tutorial on JavaScript, and in this tutorial we will be creating a live server in your local machine to compile our JS source code into the web browser. And the next thing we are going to do is we are going to write our first hello world JavaScript program. And the last and the most important thing, at the end of each video we will be having an interview question related to that topic. So if you are a newbie and preparing for the interview, then this series will also help you to secure a good job. So folks, don't forget to subscribe. Let's code it. So folks, all this series I will be using Visual Code as a code editor because it is having some really nice and cool features, and we will be seeing all these features throughout the series. So I have created an index.html file in code editor already, and to create a live server we need to go here and then search for the extension live server. And after searching the live server extension you will get some results, and after clicking on live server, here it is showing uninstall for me because I have already installed the live server. And after installing the live server you will get here a small option of go live, and after clicking on go live button it will create a live server for you. So let's click on a go live button and it will automatically open a web browser for me. And look, the live server is created, which is running on the port 5500. So how easy it is to create a live server in your local machine with the help of live server extension. So now I will split my screen to see Visual Code and web browser simultaneously, and after that we will add a heading in our web browser. So after saving the changes, look, we don't need to refresh our browser after saving the changes, and that's the big advantage of creating live server in your local machine. And that's it, we have created a live server in our local machine. Now we will try to write our first JavaScript hello world program. So for this tutorial we will not worry about where to include JavaScript code, how to include JavaScript code. Simply we will use the script tag inside the head tag to write the JavaScript code. So with the help of script tag you can write the JS code inside your HTML page. So first of all we will try to print simple message on the screen with the help of console.log statement. So whatever message you want to print onto the console, you simply need to pass that message to the console.log statement. So here I want to pass the simple message, and after saving the changes the message will be printed on the console. To open the console you need to go here, after clicking on three dots you need to click on more tools, and after clicking on more tools you have to open the developer tools, and here you can see the console is open now. Let me save the changes right here, and you can see the message is logged onto the screen. Hello world, this is WebTech for you. That was so easy. Now we will try to create an alert in our web page that we often see whenever we click on certain button in different websites. So to create the alert we need to use the alert function, and we need to pass message to the alert function. So here I will pass the same message again, and after saving the changes, look, the alert is created by JavaScript for me and it is having the message I passed to it. So in this way you can create alert into the web page. So that's it for the coding part. Now it's time for the interview question. Interview question for today's tutorial is, which JavaScript engine is used in Google Chrome browsers? So all different web browsers uses different JavaScript engines. So I have listed here all the JavaScript engines used by different web browsers. So Google Chrome uses this V8 as a JavaScript engine. Firefox uses SpiderMonkey, which is developed by Mozilla. Safari uses JavaScript Core, which is developed by Apple, and Internet Explorer uses Chakra. So folks, that's it for the first tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. Get you guys in the upcoming tutorial.